Excellent, we have now the full-fledged working PC. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on my channel. Today I'll be building a performance PC which is almost an equivalent to a gaming PC. So my main requirement here would be on the processor, the availability of RAM and a faster SSD. Let's go over each components one by one. Let's get it started. On my left I have a Ryzen R7 3700X. So this is almost an equivalent to i9 of 8 cores and 12 threads. So here I would be getting about 8 cores and 16 thread processor, and this particular unit has beaten many benchmarks and it's much more cost efficient when compared to a same spec from a different vendor. The motherboard I would be having here is a standard B550M. So out of the box this supports the 3rd gen AMD processor. So the R7 is supported, and an excellent feature of this is PCI 4.0 ready. SMPS from Antec, and more specifically you should give to this particular variant Earthwatch, and I would be going with the Gold Pro standard on the connectivity. So there are few more efficiency and related to the braided and other things which will overall improve the efficiency of this SMPS. Corsair Vengeance RAM. So I'm using 32 gigs overall, split into 16 gig each in dual channel mode. GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. So even though I do not do much of a graphic intense application or the processing, so this would support many of my requirement. And to support my storage I have 240 GB Kingston SSD. So keep tuning in. At the end of the video I will show how much did each component cost and what we would like to take you to build a similar spec wherein you are not interested with the gaming but you need a gaming specific components to match your performance requirement for your build. Let's get started.
I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Let's switch on this PC for the first time. Yes, there you see the fan is spinning. That means the power is on from the SMPS to motherboard. Right, let's see if it boots up. Yes, there you see the boot screen. Perfect. The moment of truth. Yes, perfect. There you see Windows logo is on. Let us start the price reveal. The gigabyte motherboard costed me 8,600 plus taxes. The SMPS Earthwatch from Antec costed me about 6,800. The GTX graphics card 1050 Ti costed 9,800 plus taxes, and the Corsair 16 gig into 2 costed about 9,500, and R7 processor 3700X costed 23,900. The cabinet and tech with 3 fans costed 3,100 plus taxes. Overall, the build without taxes was 60,600 plus 10,000 as GST, coming to total of 71,508. This is without the additional monitor.